Good morning and happy Tuesday. Welcome back to the Daily Grind. I'm your host, Chump Change. This is live and recorded. For those of you that might be new here, what we typically do is go over crypto news or news in general in the space. I update myself, bring you guys along for the ride. Let's see who's here in the house, and then we'll get into this. Mr. Royce's Adventure, good to see you. We have Dave Jack in the house, Andrew Masad, Leo Lustig. Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Let's see who else is here. Steven Cicero. We have Peepaw Bill, my man, Mike R. Good morning. Good morning. Crypto Mikkel, Black Hat Team, Son of a Ravage, Zed 20011. Good to see you, buddy. Dom G. Everybody else I may have missed, I apologize, but let's get into it. We got Bitcoin 65,474 bucks. I can't believe I didn't go live yesterday morning, but it was the wife's birthday, so I decided to take the holiday to myself as well. We got Ethereum at $2,600. Man, everything is looking perfect. Absolutely perfect. Solana $153. We got XRP at 54 cents. If anybody cares, that one's like a soft prawn, always letting us down, but it's in the green today, so that's a plus. We got LTC over here, 66 bucks, 66.89 to be exact. We got ETC over $19. Look at that, 1909. Caspa still down in the dumps. Bruh. The hell's going on? 13 cents, 13 and a half, just about. We actually so Grayscale has Caspa on their listing for the only currency under consideration, and we talked about this on Saturday Night Live, but I didn't have the actual paper. You know what, I'll look for it in just a second and I'll bring it up on stream to show you guys. But they list a whole bunch of other coins, but Caspa was the only one under currency, which was the big deal this weekend. Near Protocol over here at $5. It's up 3% today. We got Dogecoin at 11 cents, looking pretty good, 11 and a half just about. WIF is actually down a lot today, 6% to $2.67. BNB is at 586 bucks. Man, everything's looking pretty good, some things are still pretty cheap. I mean, Bitcoin's having a nice ride up, but some things are still pretty cheap. Let's check out Crypto Bubbles. The biggest earner of the day seems to be Bitcoin Cash. Look at that. I'm still solo mining this and I have not hit a block yet. It's been like almost, it's been almost 2 months. It's been almost 2 months that I've been going solid on Bitcoin Cash with my S19K, and I have not hit a block, but 363 bucks. It's looking pretty good. BCH is doing pretty well. It's kind of shocking, to be honest. Notcoin over here, 9.2% up on the day. Looks like it's 8/10 of a penny. That's how you say that. Jupiter 3.7% up on the day, 85 cents. We got WorldCoin up 7%, $2.48. WIF again is the biggest loser of the day, seems to be 6.1% down to $2.67. BitTensor over here, 605 bucks. That is, it's down 5.9%, but it is up like 50% from last month or a couple weeks ago. It's actually had a crazy run up. Can I look at that? Let's see. I'll change that. Week, month. Yeah, it was about a month ago, so it's September 16th. Yeah, so it's literally a month ago. It's been a 50% climb. 673 bucks is the highest it got to. God damn, this thing's had a real run up. I don't know if anybody's into that, but that's crazy. HNT is down to down 4.3%, $6.11. Interesting. All right, flashbang Fear and Greed Index looking like a 65. Look at this, we're in the greed today. Went from neutral to greedy real quick over here. Again, I don't like to see this needle move that fast. It's not a good sign. The faster we climb, the faster we fall. That's just my opinion, but I want this thing to even out. I want it to come back a little bit before we explode past the election. That's what I hope for, but hey, we'll see what happens, I guess. All right, top 10 coins over here on by coin market cap over on CoinGecko. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, USDC, XRP, Lotto staked Ether, Dogecoin, and Tron over here in 10th place at a $13.7 billion market cap. Toncoin rather over here is at a 13.3 in 11th place. Cardano's in a $13 billion market cap at 12th place. Interesting. Where is Caspa landing now? Now it's having to pull back. It's still in the top 40, I would say, right? That's how you'd say that, top 40, because it's in 33rd place. Not too bad. It's at a $3.3 billion market cap. Looking all right. I think we're going to see some fireworks for this one at some point soon. Let me find that page for you guys in a minute, and we'll when I do the news thing, I'll pull it up and we'll go over it in a second. All right, moving on to the mining segment of things. I want to kind of get into a bunch of news stuff because I missed a lot yesterday. All right, you guys know, like, the timestamp this. The AL1 Pro 16.6 terahash unit over here mining a lithium, making 45.56 a day. We get the AL1 15 terahash unit, or 15.6 rather, 42.81 a day. The AL1 from Ice River 15 terahash unit over here making $40.86. What is a lithium looking like over here? Let's just see. Let's see. $1.32 up 2% today. Past 7 days been taking a little bit of shit. Past months been taking a real shit. In 3 months it's kind of been, you know what, 3 months is actually up. It's up from 3 months ago. 2 cents. Or I lied. 20 cents, 22 cents or so. Interesting. I guess the lithium's doing all right. It's doing all right. It's hanging in there. It's hanging. It's like that cat on that rope. You ever see that hang in there sign? It's like that. Just hang in there. Hopefully another machine doesn't come out and wreck it. We got the Antminer L9 over here, 17 gigahash unit making 1738 a day. We get the 16 gigahash unit making 1636. Not too bad. I'm gonna skip the hydro unit because nobody's buying that thing, but $16 a day on that. Let's just see. Scrolling down, my L7 9050, what's it making me today over here? I'm making $5.59. You guys know I got this thing down at Terra Hosting. Shout out to them if you're interested in hosting. Links in the description. But yeah, this thing's been crazy. It's just been profitable the whole time. About $5 a day. It's worth it, in my opinion. It's worth it to have. Let's see. I don't know if I'd buy one now, but it's worth it for me to have now that I have it, or if you can get a good deal on it. The Gold Shell AL Box 2 plus 1 terahash unit over here. This is the integrated PSU. I got this thing in the solar trailer. It's making $2.13 a day. Man, I wish it sucks because I wish that thing would make more. It's nuts. The AL Box 2 720 gigahashes over here, making $1.50 a day. Bruh. What is the AL Box 2 original? Oh, is that it? That is the AL Box. No, this is sorry, the AL Box 1 I'm thinking of. AL Box, the original. This is the AL Box right here. 360 gigahashes, 180 watts. This thing's only making 75 cents a day. That's kind of bad. That's pretty bad. More ASIC resistance for the win. Dude, you know what's kind of weirding me out a little bit? We haven't seen a new Caspa ASIC drop in quite some time. Do you guys think they're going to be coming out soon? Think we're going to be getting the next iteration of those? What do you think? I'm really curious. I'm curious to know if we're going to see another Caspa miner come soon. The RX0 though, 260 gigahashes at 100 watts. This thing's making 52 cents a day. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this one. This one was cheap, but 52 cents a day kind of sucks. How was Radiant doing? Let's just look. Let's see. Turbo's doing crazy, by the way. Meme coin, but it's pumping. Radiant's up 1.3%. Let's check the month. Oh god, this is a slippery slope, boys. We dropped the decimal point. That's terrible. All right, moving on to GPUs. Let's see what we got on GPUs. Then we're gonna get into the new stuff. Looks like a Leo still top of the charts for everything except for the 170HX and Block X. Aleo, what are we looking like? Aleo. Leo's price down 2% today, $2.73. 1 month looks like total shit. 7 days looks like shit. In 24 hours, you guessed it, looks like shit. I don't know. Hey, listen, if you can make money off it, do it. Why not? Mine and sell. I wouldn't hold it. That's my opinion. All right, moving on to the news segment of things. If you guys have any questions, just add me in the chat. Let's do it. I've underestimated how strong this market's been, says Fun Strats. Tom Lee. Love listening to this guy. This was yesterday, actually about 22 hours ago. Let's do it.
Let's get to the markets. Following last week's inflation data, Tom Lee's here, managing partner and head of research at Fundstrat Global Advisors, as well as a CNBC contributor. Tom, in recent